I rounded up the top 5 bags that both classy and yet trendy this fall, and all of the bags are Scandinavian mid-luxury or contemporary brands. Some of them you may never heard of, and all of them are under €1,000 or about $1,000 US. I will be sharing what I love about each one and also a few things you might want to consider before adding them. So let's dive in. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Faye and I make videos about my love for luxury handbags, fashion, beauty and my life in Stockholm. If you like any of these topics, please consider subscribing. Fall has arrived to Stockholm and I'm so excited as it is my favorite season. In Sweden, I would say that the best fashion is the fall fashion, and Swedish fashion shines in the fall because it aligns perfectly with the season's natural beauty and practical needs. And the rich, earthy tones of autumn in Sweden inspire the country's minimalist and functional designs, which are ideal for layering, and that's a key feature in fall wardrobe and one of the biggest trends this year. And the Scandinavian minimalistic aesthetic, characterized by clean lines and supple details, is both timeless and effortless chic. And this really reflects in the bag designs that I am going to talk about today. And first up is the COS leather tote bag. That's quite a new addition. I got to say that I'm a big fan of COS for their minimalistic vibes, and this tote is no exception. What I love most is how clean and simple it is. It's perfect for those of us who like a no-fuss classic look, and I've been to the shop to try it on, and the leather is really high quality, although it is not made with Italian leather. According to their supplier list, it is made in Turkey, which is one of the reasons that the price of the bag is lower, around €300. The pros of this bag is that it's super spacious, so if you tend to carry everything with you, this bag will have you covered. And with regards to the cons is that it doesn't have a lot of internal compartments, so if you are someone who likes to keep things super organized, that might be a little frustrating with this bag. But overall, it's a great everyday bag that will match pretty much any outfit. However, I wish that they would have more colors to choose between, as black is quite basic color. Alright, let's move on to the next bag, which is the Acne Studios Musubi bag. If you're into something a bit edgier, this bag is going to be right up your alley. The design is inspired by Japanese knotting, which gives it this really cool, almost architectural vibe, and the knotting is actually the exact same knotting that is done on traditional Japanese kimonos, and I love how simple yet elegant it makes this bag look. And the smallest version, micro tote, is so cute, and it costs around €800, but I think that my favorite size for everyday is the mini size, which is slightly bigger and costs around €1,200. What's great about this bag is that the oversized knot detail is very elegant and it is very recognizable for the brand, and the leather is incredibly soft and luxurious. Plus, it's versatile. You can dress it up or down, which is always a plus in my book. They have had this bag designed for over 5 years now, and from what I've read about the quality, the leather is made in Italy and is very durable and not easily scratched. But what I think that really needs to be considered is that although the knot detail is beautiful, it does make the bag a bit bulky. So if you're looking for something sleek and streamlined, this might not be the best fit. But if you love the bag with a bit of personality like I do, you definitely want to check this one out. And one of the cons is that the strap is also not removable. The smallest size is a bit too small if you want to tuck in the wide strap, which in my opinion makes this smallest bag not practical at all. I really like the look of this bag, but the strap makes me hesitate slightly. Next is the Toteme signature shoulder bag, and I want to talk about their new belted bucket bag that I'm obsessed with, and I really love how Toteme nails that Scandinavian simplicity. This bag is all about understated elegance, and it comes in several colors and hardwares and leather, but I wish that they would have it in a deep burgundy red. What I love about this bag is that it's the perfect size for your daily essentials like phone, wallet, keys, and maybe a little makeup, and I could even fit in a 13-inch laptop, which I think makes it the perfect work bag. However, it sticks out a little tiny bit when I tried it, but it is almost not noticeable. Some of the downsides with this bag is that it does not come with a proper flap or zip to close the bag. The minimalist design means no extra pockets or compartments, so you might need to get creative with how you organize your stuff. Next bag is the Little Liffner, and this one is for those of you who love a statement piece. The Little Liffner bag is such a unique bag, and it reminds me actually of the Picotin 18, but it comes with a strap which makes it more practical and easier to wear. I love how it can add a bit of flair to any outfit, and they have quite many colors, but my favorite at the moment is the dark brown suede version. And I actually reached out to the brand asking about the origin of the leather, and all their bags are made in a small family-run factory in Italy near Florence, with leather sourced also near the same location. And it's very supple and soft, and you can really feel that it is of high quality when you touch it. And however, some cons with this bag is that it is an open bag that's basically not possible to close. But if you're looking for a bag that's as stylish as it is functional, then this one's a winner. And last but definitely not least, we have the Ganni bow bag. Ganni is one of those brands that just gets it right when it comes to that effortless cool girl style. And the bow bag is so fun and playful. It's got this chunky bold design that really stands out. The price of this is around 400 euro. The production and leather is from China, and the leather is actually made from a blend of recycled leather, and it actually feels very smooth. And I've also had a look at the stitching, which I think can compare to many of my high-end designer bags, which is a big plus. But what I really love about this bag is the color options. They are amazing, from neutrals to really vibrant shades, so you can totally customize your look. And I actually went to a wedding 2 weeks ago, and one of the girls that I met there wore this white bow bag, and it really elevated her simple dress in a cool and trendy way. Somehow I feel like this bag gives an outfit a bit of the same edge and trendy vibe like the Jacquemus raffia bag gives. I love the handle because it makes the bag look a bit bohemian and extra special, I think. The only drawback that I can think of this bag is that the bold design might be a bit much if you are more into classic styles, and because it's so chunky, it might not be the easiest to pair with everything in your wardrobe. It also has a compartment which doesn't make it fit much, even if the bag looks quite spacious. But if you're looking to make a statement this fall, I think the bow bag is definitely a top contender. So there you have it, my top 5 bags for fall under 1,000 euros. Each one has its own unique vibe, whether you're into minimalist, edgy design, or something that's just plain fun. And I'd love to hear what you think. Did you already know about these bags before? And which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye bye!